next let us discuss section 139 subsection 7, which covers appointment of first auditor of a government company or any other company owned or controlled either directly or indirectly by central government, one or more state governments, or partly central or partly one or more state governments. Now, in case of such companies, the auditor, first auditor, shall be appointed by Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Now, if you remember my chart as it is, you will be able to convert everything into sentence form, and I will read it out to you in that manner only. So, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India shall within 60 days of registration of a company appoint the first auditor. But in case the CNAG fails, then the board of directors shall within the next 30 days, okay, appoint the first auditor. And in case the board fails to appoint the first auditor, then the members shall within the next 60 days. Okay, so after the time given to the board of directors comes to an end, after that 60 days, the members shall appoint the first auditor at the extraordinary general meeting called for that purpose. The auditors so appointed in any of these cases shall hold office till the conclusion of the first annual general meeting.